Are you looking for the best audio cables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best audio cables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, MillSO 8 feet male stereo audio cable. The MillSO male jack adapter is ideal for connecting headphones, iPod, tablets, or smartphones with standard 3.5mm ports to any device with 35mm stereo port. Example, 6.35mm headphones to computer adapter, an amplifier to headphones adapter, guitar to speaker adapter. It is a plug-and-play headphones adapter that is very portable and has a tight connection and quick response. Moreover, the 24K gold-plated connectors ensure optimum sound quality and minimal signal loss while presenting natural, clear and excellent sound performance. This qualified 6.35mm audio adapter has outstanding compatibility and will connect to the devices firmly, allowing to enjoy great music. Lastly, the company offers an unconditional warranty against any quality trouble. At number 4, Phosphor 24K gold-plated Toslink digital optical S, PDIF audio cable. The Phosphor audio cable comes in a 2-pack and measures 6 feet long. It features 24K gold-plated connectors and is Toslink to mini Toslink digital optical cable. The cable consists of 3.5mm metal connectors and fiber optic core and works with televisions, iMacs, laptops, notebooks and more. For added strength, it features a strain relief PVC jacket. Good quality, low noise, and corrosion resistance are some of the cable's strong points. However, it doesn't support analog to digital conversion, DTS HD Master or Dolby True HD audio. At number 3, UGREEN, auxiliary audio jack to jack cable. Made for devices such as speakers, tablets, iPads, iPod, MP3 players, and smartphone, the UGREEN audio cable features 24K gold-plated male-to-male connectors and is compatible with 3.5mm jacks. Its slim and flexible nature plus right-angled connectors make using it in tight spots easy. The oxygen-free copper minimizes noise and electromagnetic interference, assuring you of high-quality sound. It's loved for its flexibility, compatibility with many devices, firm hold, and resistance to corrosion. At number 2, Cabell Direct RCA stereo cable 20 feet long double shielded audio cable. This is a professional RCA audio cable that is made from oxygen-free copper core to prevent RFI and ME interference. It will ensure that there is the highest quality audio transfer without popping or static. This audio cable allows premium right, left audio signal transfer from your Blu-ray player, DVD, audio receiver or home stereo, and it is available in 6 convenient sizes that range from 3 to 25 feet. The dual male cable connectors enable you to utilize RCA audio cable with the standard stereo right or left output, providing hi-fi audio and crystal clear stereo sound for your theater system or home stereo. Moreover, the cables have quality 24K gold-plated connectors that are corrosion-free to ensure the best possible audio transfer. At number 1, Ionkey, male-to-male audio cable. This auxiliary audio cable from Ionkey is male-to-male piece, features 24K gold-plated connectors and is designed for 3.5mm audio ports. The pure copper shell maintains high-fidelity sound and doesn't suffer from interference. Its key merits include compatibility with the car stereo, portable speakers, hi-fi units, MP3 players, tablets, phones and more. It's also ultra-durable and very flexible thanks to the soft TPE. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.